Today we're exploring the stunning underwater world of Alona Beach here in Panglao Bohol with Haka Dive Center. If you've ever been curious about diving but haven't taken the plunge yet, this vlog is for you. We're going on a Discover Dive, which is perfect for beginners who want to experience the beauty of scuba diving for the very first time right here in Bohol. So we've arrived to Haka Dive Center in Panglao, and the team here is so welcoming. Right from the moment we walked in, the owner and staff made us feel right at home. They're super friendly, excited to get us started, and most importantly, they're all about making sure we're comfortable before the dive. We kick things off with a quick briefing going over all the basics of scuba diving, like how to use the equipment, the safety rules, and getting us fitted with gear. It's great to know that everything's well covered before we head out.
We'll be driving to the beach. It's only 2 minutes away. And then the speedboat will be there, and then the speedboat will drop us to the bigger boat.
Sounds good.
Well, let's go diving, man.
We're here at the jump off point. We're at Alona Beach. We're gonna head out. I think we're just doing a little bit of diving in the Panglao area. I think around Alona, I'm not really sure, but we're gonna head out just in a sec and go for our dive. We hopped onto a smaller speedboat that took us to the larger dive boat. The setup was super smooth and the views of the coast from the boat were beautiful. From there, we made our way to the reef at Alona Beach, which is where we'd be doing the dive for today. Alona is known for its gorgeous reef and calm waters, so it's a perfect spot for beginners to dive for the first time. Once we arrived at the dive site, the first step was to get into the shallow water for a practice session. This is where we got used to the equipment, learning how to breathe underwater and move around. We also went over some safety practices like clearing our masks and checking our regulators. The instructors work always close by, making sure that everything felt smooth and easy. It's all about building confidence before we headed out into the deeper water. Now, let's talk about the dive itself. Alona Beach is famous for its coral reefs, and it's easy to see why. The water was crystal clear, and the underwater world was just incredible. The reef was absolutely alive with color. We saw schools of vibrant fish, including the Nemo fish, and we even got lucky and saw a sea turtle. Then, we came across a massive group of sardines, literally thousands of them moving together in perfect sync. It's one of those moments where you just have to stop and take it all in. The marine life here is so diverse, and the reef itself is like something out of a dream. From the tiny critters to the large species, it really is an unforgettable experience. I'm going to stop talking now and just let you experience some of our dive. Enjoy. Yeah, man, that was awesome. I don't think you really notice how many fish are here, just like, seriously, just like at Alona.
Yeah, I didn't expect so many. That's
Cool.
so cool.
Thank you, Brian.
All good, man. Awesome dive, man.
This is his shop, Haka Dive.
Thank you so much.
So you saw a couple turtles?
Yeah, man. We saw two. But the sardines, those are the was really the highlight of the scuba dive. Freaking amazing.
Awesome.
I was about to say a bad word.
And then I only saw one turtle. I was right behind him. I don't know why I missed the other one, but all good. That was still pretty cool. After an amazing dive, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to the team at Haka Dive Center for making this such a fun and memorable experience. If you've ever thought about trying scuba diving, I definitely recommend checking them out. I'll drop their contact info in the description below, so if you're in Bohol and want to book a dive, you know where to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.